Sometimes all we need is a good manicure, and in today's video I'm going to show you a very simple 5-step manicure routine that you can follow at home using the products that you like, or you can also make some DIY stuff. So let's get started. All the products that I'm going to use in today's video are by Araina by Arshneet, and spoiler alert, they are amazing. So the first step is to soak your hands or your feet if you are doing pedicure. I'm going to take a little bit of this hand and foot soak, put it into a bowl of warm water, give it a good mix, and then dip my hands into the water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Step 2 is to scrub your hands. This particular one smells good. I believe it's the cocoa version. Just take the exact quantity of the scrub and then apply it on your hands. It will moisturize, brighten and exfoliate your skin. Focus more on the areas that are dark, for example your knuckles or maybe the skin around your nails, but be gentle because you do not want to go all wild while exfoliating your hands or feet or your skin in general. Just be gentle and let the scrub do its job. Step 3 is to follow a nail care routine. Now this step might be different for everyone because the tools that I like to use for my nails might not be the ones that some of you prefer. What I like to do is apply cuticle portion on my nails and wait for a minute or so for it to do its magic. I've been using this butter for over a year now and I love it. After that, I take my metal cuticle pusher or an orange wood stick to gently push back the cuticles. Cuticle is not the skin around your nails, it's the dead skin on your nails. So this is how you use a metal pusher to remove the cuticles. I like to keep my routine simple. Cuticle portion plus cuticle push-up, that's it. And finally I use my glass nail file to shape my nails. I'm not going to talk much about nail shaping in this video because I have about 6 different nail shape videos on my YouTube channel. If you're interested, check the video description for the links. Step 4 is to apply nail polish. I know we all love this step. So this beautiful color that I chose today is Color Bar's Maroon Magic. And the last step of this simple routine, without which our manicure is incomplete, is to moisturize your hands and nails. For my hands, I'm using Araina's hand cream. I started using this cream over a month ago and I think it's the best I've ever tried. For my nails, I'm using Araina's nail oil and applying it like so. And that was it for today's video, guys. Now that you have watched it, follow this routine and then come back, drop a comment to let me know if you found this video helpful. And if you want to try Araina by Arshneet's amazing nail care products, check the video description for a link to their shop. Okay, wait, I have to say this. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you very much. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.